Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about passive income ideas. Passive income is a great way to make money without having to actively work for it. So, let's dive in and explore some options. Investing in dividend-paying stocks means buying shares of stock in a company that pays dividends to its shareholders on a regular basis. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to shareholders. When a company pays dividends, its stock price may not go up, but the shareholder will receive cash payments, which can provide a source of passive income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to earn passive income over time, as the dividends are usually paid on a quarterly basis, but it's important to keep in mind that the stock price and dividends can fluctuate and there's always risk in the stock market. Next, you could try renting out a property on Airbnb, which means listing a room, apartment, or house on the Airbnb platform for short-term rentals to travelers. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as the property owner doesn't have to be present during the rental period and the income can come in regularly as long as the property is rented out. However, it does require some work to set up, such as creating a listing, taking photos, and managing bookings. Additionally, you'll need to consider things like cleaning, maintenance, and potential wear and tear on the property. It's also important to check with local laws and regulations, as renting out a property on Airbnb may be restricted in certain areas. Another great method is by creating and selling an online course, means developing and marketing a course that teaches a specific skill or topic to an audience through an online platform. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as once the course is created, it can be sold multiple times to different students, providing a source of income without the need for active involvement. However, it does take time and effort to create a high-quality course that people are willing to pay for. The course creator will need to research their target audience, create the course content, and market the course effectively. Additionally, it's important to consider the cost of hosting the course and the potential competition in the market. A popular passive income method would be to build a niche website, and earning money through affiliate marketing means creating a website that focuses on a specific niche or topic and earning income by promoting and selling other people's products or services through affiliate links. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as the website can continue to generate income long after the initial work of building and setting it up is done. However, it does take time and effort to research and identify a profitable niche, build and optimize the website, create valuable content and attract a significant amount of traffic to the site, and establish relationships with the merchants whose products you promote. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, but it requires dedication and a long-term approach. Investing in a peer-to-peer lending platform is the act of investing money in a platform that acts as a middleman to connect borrowers and lenders, allowing individuals to lend money directly to other individuals or small businesses, bypassing traditional financial institutions. This can be a way to earn passive income by lending out money and receiving interest payments, but it also involves risk, as borrowers may default on their loans, resulting in a loss of principal. Peer-to-peer lending platforms usually offer different levels of risk and returns, so it's important to research and understand the platform's credit evaluation process and the track record of borrowers before investing. You could create an app by getting in touch with a developer, who will help you set it up for a fee, or write an electronic book on a topic you know very well, or just on experiences you have had, if the topic is interesting enough. As you can see, there are many ways to earn passive income. It's important to do your research and find the best options for you. For example, if you're not comfortable with the stock market, investing in dividend-paying stocks may not be the best idea. But, if you have a spare room or a vacation property, renting it out on Airbnb could be a great option. Another thing to keep in mind is that passive income often takes time and effort to set up. You may not see immediate results, but with persistence and dedication, you can earn a significant amount of passive income over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Leave a comment below and let us know what passive income ideas you're interested in exploring.